So you've thought about starting your own business, and I want to share with you 4 typical mistakes that we make as entrepreneurs that will hold you back from being successful. There are 4 typical things that I did as an entrepreneur in the fashion industry, what I did wrong. And I think that no matter what industry you are in, these are typical mistakes that entrepreneurs make. All right, so you're starting your business and you have got all these most amazing ideas. Number 1, I find that because you don't have absolute clarity in what it is that you want to offer, you're offering too many things. You are trying to please all your clients. You can't be everything to everyone. You need to decide what it is I'm going to be offering. But the typical mistake is that we want to please our clients because we want to prove what we are all about, how amazing we are, or what we can do for you. And we get swept up into this energy of just doing too many things. And clients are just like your children. They're going to test you and see how far they can push you and what they can get out of you. And you'll just keep going, yes, I'll do it. Yes, I'll do it. Because now you're trying to please, becoming a people pleaser. And you're just thinking about the money. So now you're following the money and you're spreading yourself out very wide all over the place for a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and a little bit of that. And then when I meet you in a marketing event or a networking event and I say to you, so what do you do? And you'll say to me, well, I do this and I do that and I offer this and I offer that. And the client asked me to do this, so now I'm also doing that. And I'm going to look at you and going to say, my goodness, so you're doing everything. So what do you actually specialize in, or what is it that you actually do to see whether I can maybe use one of your services or I'm interested in buying one of your products? So my name is TANIA Sutherland and I'm a born entrepreneur. It's in my blood. Being a fashion designer for over 36 years, creating products around my industry, entire collection of sewing patterns, affiliate packages, as well as startup business courses for entrepreneurs as well as fashion designers. If you like this kind of content about your energy and putting yourself out there to become the best entrepreneur that you can, then how about giving me a thumbs up, a like, share, and don't forget to press that subscribe button too. Don't forget to leave some comments down below. Busyness can be preventing you from being successful because you're so busy, you're not slowing down and listening. Is this taking me into the future direction of my business? Or is it spreading me all over the place and I'm totally exhausted and going to burn out? And before you know it, you will actually lose the passion and that purpose and the focus of what it was that you planned when you started your business. Or maybe you just started without a proper plan. You need to stop for a moment and ask yourself, what is your strength? What are you good at the most? And focus on that more. And slowly, rather learn to say no. Because that's number 3. We're so busy trying to please our customers and to grow the business that we don't know when to say no. Sometimes saying no can benefit you because you can spend more time and energy on something else that you are more interested in, and that is what you're really good at. And you can focus on that, and those clients will tell people more about that particular product and service, and you'll grow that area instead of spreading yourself out thin. So chasing the money is definitely about just doing too many things, and you just want to take on as many orders as possible. And sometimes you can overpromise. Got to be very careful of overpromising because you are creating a long-term relationship with your clients. You want to know that they can trust you, that you deliver as you say you will. You will deliver on time. You've given them a price. You're giving them a value. You're giving them a service. And you are giving them an experience. They are dealing with you. They're getting this product. They are enjoying it. They're no matter what your product is. When I was running my fashion designing business, I was supplying my clients with their full wedding attire. They knew, because they'd been working with me from when they were still at school. They would come to me for cocktail dresses, evening gowns, for their matric farewell. End up even doing their wedding dresses, so I've known them for years. They always knew that I would give them this service, and I would listen to what they want, and I would give it to them on the time that they need it. And I would never overpromise. You'd be very careful of overpromising, because sometimes you could be taking on so many orders, so many different things to please all your clients. The thing is, can you cope? Can you finish them all on time? Can you give them with absolute quality and to your best perfection, not just rushing it, because now you've taken on so many things that you can't finish it with absolute quality and pride. So be careful of taking on too many orders, too many things, spreading yourself out very thin, becoming exhausted, working till long hours, long evenings and your weekends, and having no life balance. You need to become aware of you're doing too many things. And because you are so busy and you action driven, you think by being busy, that's number two, that by being busy, that you are being productive and that you are actually growing your business. People talk very quickly and freely. People love to complain. People also like to pay a compliment. I would prefer to have those clients that pay compliments about me and refer me. So I would rather have less clients, focus more on what I want, what I'm offering, and deliver on time with value to build that respect between me and my clients, and say no when it's necessary. If I know that a client's trying to push me to have a garment or an order out in a very short time, and I know that I've already committed to my other clients, I'm going to tell their client, no, I'm fully booked. I've already committed to other clients. If you had given me more time, I would have loved to help you. They respect you more for that. So these are the few things that you need to look at to make sure that you are not burning out. You're giving the best of yourself to your clients, because your clients are your future. They're going to be telling other people about your business. So be true to yourself and true to your clients. And remember to have that work-life balance, not to burn out. You're here to make a difference, to give a beautiful product or service. Give the best that you can, but don't forget about yourself in the process.